Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to represent the following decimals on a stem and leaf diagram. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. A stem and leaf diagram is a plot that displays ordered numerical data. The digits of the data have been split into a stem, that is the first digit or digits of the data, and a leaf. The leaf is usually the last digit. So looking at the following decimal, to represent it on a stem and leaf diagram, I'm going to start by stating the number of terms in the diagram. So I have my n is equal to, I have 13 data values. Then the next important step is to state the key that represents the data. So for this particular one, I'm going to use, if I have 21 splitted, that's my stem, and then I have 3. What this represents is 0, 0.2, 1, and 3. So what that means is the first 2 digits of my data, because they're the first 2 digits after the decimal point, that will be my stem, and then the last digit is my leaf. So therefore, going ahead to represent my data, I'm going to start by drawing. And because my data is already ordered, I'm just going to start with the first number, that's 0.212. So the first 2 digits after the decimal point will be my stem. So I have 21, and then the last digit will be my leaf. I have 2. I'm going to take that out. I go to the next number. I have the first 2 digits after the decimal, that's 22, and then the last digit, that's 3. I'm going to strike that out. And because the next number, the first 2 digits after the decimal, is still 22, what I'm going to do is to continue on the same line, then write in the last digit, that's 6. So I have 0.226. So I'm going to write my 6 as shown, and then I take that out. Now if you look at the next digit, the first 2 digits after the decimal point is 23. So I'm going to move to the next line, and I start by writing my 23, and then the last digit is 0. So I'm going to put that on my leaf side. I take that out. The next number for the data given, the first 2 digits after the decimal is 23. So I'm going to go ahead on the same line by just adding the leaf, which is the last digit, 3. So that's 0.233. Then the next one, I'm still on 23 because that's the first 2 digits after the decimal point. What I'm going to do is to include the last digit, which is 7, as my leaf. So I'm done with that. I go to the next one. The value has changed. The first 2 digits after decimal is 24. So I move to the next line. I have my 24. And then my leaf, that's the last digit, which is 1. I'm going to write my 1 carefully under the first value. I take that out. I'm still on 24. So I have 0.242. I've written my 24. The leaf will be 2. Then I take that out. For the next one, I'm still on 24. And the leaf will be 8. So I have 8 under my 7. I'm going to take that out. Then I move to 25. So I start a new row. 25. Then I have the leaf, the first leaf, that's 3. So I'm going to start by writing my 3. The next one, I'm still on 25. And then I have another 3. So I'm going to repeat my 3. Because I have 2 numbers that are the same. You have to represent both numbers. I'm still on 25. The leaf for the next one will be 9. That's 0.259. So I'm going to take that out. And then my last but not the least number, 0.262. So I'm going to start a new line. My stem will be 26. and then my leaf, the last digit, is going to be 2, and then I've been able to represent the value given. Note that the values on my left hand side, those are my stem, and the values on my right hand side are my leaf. Thanks for watching. Bye.